morning, traders. I am Stephen Davis, Senior Market Strategist. Happy Friday to everybody, here to talk to you about the grain market. Okay, the corn market. So both these charts now are corn and soybeans we're going to show you this morning. I like them. The trajectory seems to be trending higher here. And export sales this morning out on corn, very solid numbers. So good we kind of break the 2-week slump we've had in exports, and perhaps U.S. farmers are busy wrapping up the corn harvest, cutting corn, and not doing anything with exports at all here. So good corn export sale number going out this morning, and let's just hope that it continues. Next week is Thanksgiving. We're closed on Thursday, half a day on Friday, so maybe it'll be tepid sales next week, but we'll see this trend in corn demand, export sales continue strong here. Okay, and the corn chart, first chart of the day, you can see trending higher here. So it's the time of year now, corn harvest is wrapping up and markets are supposed to try to trade higher. Farmers are not selling corn, and the basis should improve here, and that should help the futures price of corn going forward. Okay, the soybean market. Everybody wants to talk about soybeans here, and it is protein. It's what the world wants, the consumer of the world wants, and you can see our chart of soybeans trajecting higher here. Yesterday's high in January soybeans, 897.5. So we need to get above 9 and then 906 and stay above there, and then see where we go from there. So next week, again, we're closed on Thursday, so we're a half a day on Friday. It's just the time of year now. Soybean harvest is wrapping up. Prices, this is a strong seasonal time for soybeans right around Thanksgiving. Speaking of soybean harvest now, North Dakota, in Michigan and Wisconsin way behind on soybean harvest. I think North Dakota has 9% of their soy in the field. Michigan has 21% and Wisconsin 14%. So all added up, yes, this is a lot of soybeans still out in the field. Just to comment on North Dakota, 20, 30 years ago, all North Dakota grew was wheat, and here they are now, a big soy producer in the Northwest Corn Belt. So just showing the demand for soy from the world today. So you can kind of see we're ebbing and flowing on U.S.-China trade talks here. Yesterday, again, a financial page, first page headline, Maersk, the largest container shipping, saying global trade is going to slow next year because of this China-U.S. trade concern. So let's get this taken care of. Let's get a truce here and move these soybean prices higher. You can see this area kind of 940 to 1040 on the soybean chart that I just showed you. You know, that's just a vast area where we just came down so hard, and perhaps going into the end of the year, we're going to get up into that area. So here's a comment on outside markets as we wrap this up. Natural gas in the last 2 weeks, 40% higher. Crude oil in the last 2 weeks, 20% lower. Look at your chart of natural gas. It gapped higher on this move up. And, you know, keep watching this program. Any of these grain markets gap higher or gap lower, we're going to be talking about it. And then the wheat market here, the next chart, you can see the wheat chart more sideways. I like the soybean and corn charts a little better than the wheat charts right here, right now. Everybody have an excellent weekend.